We'll be diving into the world of one of America's most successful and powerful families, the Rockefellers. They have managed to maintain and grow their wealth for over 150 years. But what sets them apart from other wealthy families who have lost their fortunes within just a few generations? The Vanderbilts, for example, were once one of the wealthiest families in America, but now, their vast fortune is a fraction of what it once was. The Vanderbilts, like many other wealthy families, failed to establish a clear set of principles and strategies for managing and growing their wealth over multiple generations. But the Rockefellers, on the other hand, have done just that. They have a set of principles and strategies that have helped them maintain and grow their wealth over multiple generations, and in this video, we will be discussing those principles and strategies in detail. Be aware, the last one will surprise you as it is counterintuitive. So, what are the principles and strategies that the Rockefellers have used to maintain and grow their wealth over multiple generations? And how can we learn from their example to do the same? Let's find out. The Rockefellers' success can be attributed to several key principles and strategies. The first and most important principle is the ability to make smart and strategic business investments, just like John D. Rockefeller Sr. did when he founded Standard Oil in 1870. He saw an opportunity in the oil industry, and he invested heavily in it, eventually building one of the largest and most profitable companies in the world at the time. The second principle is financial management. The Rockefellers have a disciplined approach to financial management, with a focus on diversifying their investments and limiting risk. This has allowed them to weather economic downturns, recessions, hyperinflation, the Great Depression, and maintain their wealth over multiple generations. They invest in different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and private equity, as well as spreading their investments across different industries and geographic regions. This diversification helps to minimize risk and maximize returns. Additionally, they also have a team of financial advisors and experts to help them make informed investment decisions. The third principle is family governance, which includes a clear set of values, regular meetings, and decision-making processes. This helps to ensure that the family's wealth and business interests are managed in a responsible and effective way. The family has a robust governance system in place to manage their wealth and business interests. This helps to ensure that the family's values, goals, and objectives are aligned and that the family is moving in the same direction. The fourth principle is continual education and learning. The family is always on the lookout for new opportunities and ways to grow their wealth and stay ahead of the curve by learning new skills and staying abreast of industry developments. They invest in the education of their family members, and they encourage them to learn new skills and knowledge, so they are always ready for new opportunities. The fifth principle is intergenerational wealth transfer. The family has a well-established plan for passing their wealth down to future generations in a responsible and effective way. This principle includes education and training for younger family members in financial management, investing, and philanthropy. The family office and foundations play a crucial role in this, by educating and training the younger family members about legal and tax planning, estate planning, and also family governance. The family office also helps to make sure that the family's wealth is used in a responsible and effective way to benefit both the family and society at large. The sixth principle is tax management. The family keeps a keen eye on tax laws and regulations to make sure that their assets are structured in the most tax-efficient way possible, thus preserving more wealth for future generations. They have a team of tax advisors and experts who help them navigate the ever-changing tax laws and regulations to ensure that they are paying the minimum amount of taxes possible while remaining compliant with the law. And finally, the seventh and incredibly important principle is philanthropy. The Rockefeller family has a strong tradition of giving back through philanthropy, donating large sums of money to a variety of causes such as education, healthcare, and the arts. This not only helps to support important causes but also allows the family to gain positive public recognition. This philanthropy is not only a way of giving back to society but also a way of investing in the future of the country and the world. So, what can we learn from the Rockefellers' success? By following these principles and strategies, we can set ourselves up for long-term financial success and stability. It's not just about making money, it's about managing it and using it for the greater good. Remember, smart and strategic business investments, financial management, family governance, education and learning, intergenerational wealth transfer, tax management, and philanthropy are all crucial elements in maintaining and growing wealth over multiple generations. Please like and subscribe if you found this video informative.